Hello children, today I'm here as Goldie from the Cavalier. The Cavalier is the #1 defense institute from the past 20 years, and we have been giving superb performance for all the students for our NDA, CDS, AFCAT, etc. courses. Now, we are launching an offline crash course from the 12th of March. Please remember the date is 12th March. Offline crash course for especially for NDA students. And since I am teaching English, I'll give you a little insight कि हम English के course में क्या-क्या cover करेंगे. Now the crash course is going to be of 30 days, and उस crash course के अंदर we will try to concentrate on what are the questions which are going to come in the paper, what is your approach towards the paper, and how do you solve it. So we are going to discuss only the important topics which are related to your paper, and we are not going to discuss those questions which are not going to come in the paper, as we have analyzed the trends of the previous year papers. We are also going to have our daily test, weekly test, and at the end of the course you will also have a full length GAT in which you will have the questions of English, so that you can slowly and steadily understand your progress. Now, what are those highest scoring topics and how are we going to approach them? Let us discuss it in brief. Now, the highest scoring topics for you here are the topic on prepositions, because the maximum number of questions and the easiest way to score across is preposition. Then, when we move across, we have questions on noun, pronouns, adjectives and adverbs. And apart from this, we also have a very easy approach as to how to approach close comprehension. For a student who is not very good with English also, this is the highest scoring, because in this the accuracy level becomes very high. So close comprehension, even if there are 10 blank, it is quite scoring that an average student can easily score 7 to 8 questions correctly out of it. So this becomes very easy for you to score marks in your paper. Apart from this, you all have done comprehension in your school, and now that you have passed out of your school, you already know how to do comprehension. But since here you are sitting for a competitive exam, comprehension becomes much more easier for you how to approach it in the right manner. So we are going to discuss a particular approach towards comprehension, because there are at least 1 to 2 passages of comprehension which are asked in the NDA paper, and you need not read the whole passage. And if you get to the basics of it, if you understand the right way to approach comprehension, then obviously your 5 to 10 questions are going to be correct out of those 50 questions. So again and again I am saying these are the highest scoring topic, because the maximum questions are asked on preposition, then articles, then when we come to adjective, then we move on to nouns, pronouns and adverbs. And apart from this, there are questions on vocabulary. There are certain ways of learning a vocabulary word, so that you don't have to mug up every word by heart. And obviously, like I said, the highest scoring would be close comprehension and the right approach towards comprehension. So let us get going, and do not forget to enroll before the 12th March for the offline NDA crash course.